My name is Nancy Williams, and I'm going to talk about co-parenting, successfully raising kids separately. Whether the two parents have been married in the past and then divorced, or they were never married, it is important for both parents to be involved in the child's life. Some of the reasons are that many homes are fatherless homes. And as you can see, there are plenty of negative outcomes that can happen whenever a parent is absent from the home. I'm pretty sure this could also occur if it's not a fatherless but a motherless home as well. You can see suicide, behavior disorders, anger problems, homelessness, high school dropouts. Those are all some serious risks that can happen if there's an absent parent. On the other hand, if there are two parents involved, the children are 40% less likely to repeat a grade in school, 70% less likely to drop out of school, and they're more likely to get A's. They're also more likely to enjoy and engage in activities during, at school. So, what do you do if you're divorced? How do you handle this? There are benefits of co-parenting. There are definitely an increased sense of self-worth. I went a little too far. There are benefits for the kids, but also for the parents. Breaks from parenting, I know from personal experience, is definitely something that every other weekend, you can make plans to do things and whatnot. You can see all the different benefits that it can happen for parents. So, essentials for co-parenting. You definitely should work on your communication with one another, empathy, because things can happen and things come up that weren't planned, and you want the other parent to definitely be as understanding as you are towards them. Pick your battles. Definitely don't fight over every little thing. You have to really figure out what's important, and then fight for the things that are important only, and let the rest of it go. Respect time with the other parent. So when the child's at their dad's for the weekend, don't call and constantly check up on them or anything. I know it's hard sometimes, but you have to just respect that time, because they're not bothering you 24 hours a day when you have the child. It's also very important to share photos, updates, grades, activities, things like that. Definitely do not use the kids as pawns against the other parent. There are some situations where one parent, still is holding a grudge over the ended relationship, and they use the child against the other parent. You should never make your child choose a side, because both mother and father are important to that child. Don't sabotage the relationship with the other parent. Definitely don't talk bad about them, and don't try to make the kid, hate their dad or their mom, as it were. And don't communicate through the kids. It's better just to talk to each other whenever you're making plans. I definitely just want to reiterate, don't badmouth the other parent in the presence of the child. You're really hurting the kid more than you are the other parent. So, with mutual respect, courtesy, and communication, successful co-parenting is definitely possible. Thank you for watching my slideshow.